Here's a game booster settings that's kind of like a hidden feature, and this is when you are charging your phone when gaming, and it's called pause USB PD charging when gaming to prevent overheating. So this is going to be very useful, especially those of you who love to charge your phone while gaming and you don't want to overheat your phone and cause damage. So with all that said and done, I'll show you now how to get into these settings, and let's get started. To get into these settings, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here. And once you're in this section here, just go into the search bar, type in the words Game Booster Settings. You're gonna type that in right here. And as you tap on that, you'll see all these different settings here for you. Now you wanna go down until you see this option here. This option won't be able to turn on unless you have it plugged in for charging, okay? But you want to keep it on so in case you are gaming, your phone gets hot plus charging at the same time could cause some serious overheating, and of course too much heat on a phone can do some internal damage. So you want to go ahead and turn this on if you're that kind of person that plays games for so long and you want to be charging plus gaming, which is actually really just not a good idea to begin with. But for your safety's sake, just go ahead and plug this in. This is going to be working with a Samsung compatible charger, okay? Not no third party, and it has to be that 25 watts and higher charger, okay? Just so you know that. All right, like and sub.